Uiteindelik nieuw update aan future predictions. Atomprehensive analysis built on meteor in-depth analysis of uiteindelik nieuw updates aan future predictions. In this guide will explorate to range data of uiteindelik its recent updates and or predictions for its future What is uiteindelik? Uiteindelik is a digital to range designated to provide a fast, secure, and decentralized way of making transactions. Built on blockchain technology, uiteindelik utilizes a unique consensus algorithm to ensure efficient and energy-friendly transactions. Recent updates uiteindelik has recently undergone several significant updates, including improved scalability. Uiteindelik's developers have implemented a new scalability solution, allowing for faster transaction processing and increased network capacity. Enhanced security. Uiteindelik security has been bolstered through the implementation of advanced encryption techniques and a more robust consensus algorithm. New partnerships. Uiteindelik has formed partnerships with several prominent companies, expanding its use cases and increasing its adoption rate. Market trends and analysis to predict uiteindelik's future prete. We must consider various market trends and analysis. These include adoption and growth of the uiteindelik community, overall performance of the crypto-to-range market, competition from other crypto-to-ranges, regulatory changes and government policies. Prediction models. We employed several prediction models to forecast uiteindelik's future prete. These models include moving average, convergent, divergent, matched, relative strength index, Bollinger Bands, Fibonacci retracement short-term, mid-term, and long-term predictions based on our analysis. We predict the following pretes for uiteindelik. Short-term 2025 on mid-term 2026 50 long-term 2027 potential fix 2027 or morality and substitute.